have for you a giant egg with a squid. Let's see all the surprises we have inside and learn some facts about the squid. Squids are a type of animal that live in the seas and oceans. They have large tentacles with very strong suckers. Also, squids are usually about 60 centimeters long, but there are some giant squid specimens that can be more than 13 meters long. Amazing, friends! Look, these would be the suckers on their tentacles. Also, squids have some extraordinary features. They can change color. When they feel threatened, they change color to camouflage themselves so that no one can find them. Also, they have another strategy. They can squirt ink. They squirt this ink so their predators can't see them. Let's take off all the modeling clay. I once saw a squid, but it wasn't giant, friends. It was just a regular one. Look, let's take everything off. I'm excited to see the surprises. And now we've finally reached the last layer in blue. Wow, friends, we have a lot of surprises. Let's start with this huge pack. Look how big it is. Its name is Strict Predators. Find the top animal, a predator, and its card. We have the surprise pack, and as always, a book with information and activities. It tells us that there are some that glow in the dark and change color. Here we see all the new models available to collect. We have the giant squid, bidon, cobra. Wow, it's amazing! Let's see! Wow! Friends, we've got a snake. And look how big it is. It's super soft. And we can stretch it. As you can see, this snake is green and it has some black dots on it. Its mouth is huge and it has 2 fangs on the top and 2 on the bottom. Let's see if there's a card. Yes, here we have it. It tells us its name is Green Anaconda, and we've been lucky because it says it glows in the dark. Inside we have information and what I like the most, a photograph of her in real life. It's so big, friends. If I saw her in real life, I would be really scared. The information tells us that the green anaconda is the largest snake that exists. It can weigh around 250 kilos and exceed 9 meters in length. Next little surprise! Here we have a surprise envelope from Supercine Series 5, the new Supercine that just came out. Inside, we get one of the new vehicles and either a villain or a superhero. We got a villain! The new villain we got from Series 5 is a sandwich maker. I really like it! Yum, yum, yum! Its rival is a sandwich. And we can also collect it in 2 different colors. Here we have the new vehicle. Its name is Aerobagon. It has 2 modes. It can go on rails connecting other cars, or it can also unfold its wings and fly. Here we have the guide with the new super sign. Look, here we have the new golden ones. Alien Bandit and Rocket Scene, and the ultra rare one, which is the hardest to get in this series, is Kid Fury. can't wait to open a bunch of packs to complete the whole collection. Next little surprise. Let's see. Here we have a surprise pack from Tentaculos & Co. Let's see if we get a squid this time. Oops, it looks like I'm touching some tentacles. Wow! And we've got an octopus. Up close, we can see all the details. Let's count the tentacles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And on the underside, it has all the suckers. Its suckers are very strong and they use them to catch their prey. It also has a big head, and here we can see its eyes. I love it. There are some octopuses that are also gigantic. The book also came with information. It tells us that there are 20 models to collect. Wow! And inside, we have information along with a photograph of them. Impressive. I enjoy seeing what they're like in real life. Look, we also have jellyfish. Do you know a really interesting fact, friends? There are some types of jellyfish that are considered to be the most beautiful animals in the world. Although there are some that are very poisonous. Look, these are almost transparent. Incredible. Let's continue. We got a very tiny envelope, but I love it because it's from Disney. Inside, we have a wiki and also a sticker. Let's see. We have a very cute little kitten. It's white and has a pink bow. Here we have her sticker. And on the back, it tells us that her name is Mari. She's number 29 in the collection. I think she's from the movie The Aristocats, but I'm not sure. We only have 2 little surprises left. Here we have a super big envelope from Doc McStuffins. Inside we have a 3D figurine, and here are all the ones you can collect. I would like to get chili. Let's see. We got Doc McStuffins! That's great! And it comes with a stand so we can make her stand up. Doc McStuffins is a very curious girl. Even though she's very young, she likes to fix broken or damaged toys. So if any toy has been damaged, Doc McStuffins will fix it. She has all the tools for that. She comes with her medical bag and also to check the condition of the toys. She always has this doctor's coat and also some braids. I love it. Hello, little friends. If you have any broken toys, don't throw them away. You can bring them to my office so I can fix them. Goodbye. And now, friends, we have the last surprise left. We have a jar with slime, but it's not just any slime. It's slime with a little sea animal inside, and it also has a crystal effect. Wow, I love this kind of slime. Look at this! Its texture is amazing. But the best part is that it looks like water, like ocean water. And look who just showed up here. We have a sea turtle. It looks like it's swimming in the middle of the ocean. Look! I love it. It's super pretty. Sea turtles are different from land turtles because of the shape of their shells and their flippers. Sea turtles have a very flat, quite squashed shell, while land turtles have a much taller shell. Also, sea turtles have very large front legs to help them swim. And these are all the little surprises we've found today. Remember friends, if you like this video, you can help me by giving me a super like, a thumbs up, and I invite you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos.